Hi, I'm Chester Greenhall, and this is my three-window coupe made out of PT Cruiser. It's made to look like a 34 Ford coupe. I built this whole car by myself in less than 6 months, and because I was able to find a wrecked PT Cruiser for $500, I kept my price under $2,000. Now, most of my books show under $3,000. That would allow you $1,500 for a used PT Cruiser. I can find them all day long on the internet for that. To make a long story short, I took the top window piece out of the PT Cruiser hatchback. I slid it forward, angled it down, slid it under the roof, and welded it across. Now these came off the back corner of the PT. They went forward, and I welded them here and filled in the holes with sheet metal. Okay. The roof I cut off. I cut the roof right across here. The roof I cut off, I dropped down, welded it in here, and cut it to fit my other secret. That's a second generation Volkswagen hood for a trunk lid. Now if you see, it opens perfect, closes perfect. I used a piece of EMT tubing for a strut. It's got a massive trunk in it. The dual exhaust I made out of cyclone fence posts for $6. There's a chapter in the book shows how to make it. They sound real nice if you can hear them. Now come around to the front. Incidentally, these wheels are stock PT Cruiser wheels with a little bit of the leftover blue paint dressing them up. This PT Cruiser letters come from PT Cruisers in the junkyard. The 7 PT Cruisers in the U-pick here don't have any letters left on them. The O they don't have, so I put 2 U's together. Made the O, the P, I cut the leg off of an R to make the coupe. Now come on the front. The later model PT Cruisers had bars, chrome bars on the grill. Now all I did was paint it flat black with chrome bars, and this is a piece of vinyl chrome trim just stuck on there, and it makes it look like the hood has got the old 34 style and had room for these reveals. So for about $30 I made this whole front end. You can do it on any PT. Okay, I want to show you a lot of the things that I like the most about a PT Cruiser. You're not going to be able to have easily if you're building a 34 or 35 3-window coupe. Number one, all PT Cruisers came with electric windows, electric mirrors. They got tilt wheels on them, you know, and dual airbags. Some of the PTs had side airbags and a knee airbag. It's got cruise control. The years before 2005 had a dynamite stereo in it, better than anything you could buy. Air conditioning. It's got a center console. This gear shift was an option. Out of the 7 PT Cruisers in the U-pick, 2 of them had these. I paid $12 for it. It bolted right in, and it shifts better than any aftermarket shifter I've ever put in a car. If you look, you can find one that's got nice upholstery in it. Now, in the U-pick junkyard here, I got these 2 seats. They're perfect. They're cloth. Got nice clean carpets that were taken care of. And this dash pad, the original was cracked all to hell. This dash pad and the seats and the carpet cost me $75. And I'm 6'2" and weigh over 200 pounds. And I am so comfortable in this car that all the PTs had the bucket seats in them. This one's got an electric seat here. The nice thing is all this stuff is factory installed. The airbags, everything. You don't have to makeshift anything. You don't have to make mounts for anything. It's all there. It's drivable from day one. You can drive it while you're working on it. The women love this car because it's so comfortable. Because I think this could be a trend for the future. And it does look sharp. Thank you. I hope you have good luck. I hope you build one and send John your pictures of it as you're building.